Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Aman Kumar. Again, I have come with a new video. In this video, I'm going to talk about some sentences which are often used in our daily routine. Basically, in this video, I'm going to talk about some conversational sentences between two friends. So let's get into the video. Yeah, hi, who is this? Well, this is Jack calling from India. Could I speak to Michael? Yeah, sure. Wait a moment. Michael is speaking. Is it Jack from America? Yes, buddy, it's me. Hey Jack, how have you been, buddy? It's been a long time. I have been doing good. When are you getting back to India? Very soon. Maybe on this Diwali? Oh, sounds good. It will be great to see you here in India. You tell, I think you had your exams last month. How did you fare? Yes, I fared well in my examination. And you know what? I got first rank in my school. Wow, glad to hear this. Congratulations for your success. What about the party and celebration? Didn't you celebrate it? I did celebration with my family at home. Oh, wonderful. Whom did you invited? I invited all of my friends and colleagues. What about me? I'm really sorry because I couldn't invite you as you were not here in India. No worries, I can understand. But I promise I will throw a party when you come back to India. Yeah, sure. Now we should hang up the call because it's been for about half an hour. Yes, it's been. Bye bye. Take care. You too. Thank you so much for watching our videos. And please make sure hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for getting such videos. Thank you so much everyone.